Kakun Hinyau Trip National Awakening Movement lani Khnam kala Leit ban Iakynduh ya Chief Secretary mentakasngi ban ya kador khas kaba pan ya ke Jingtip Halor ka kam kaba ki expert committee kilale Halor ka state reservation policy. President Jong ka Khnam uba Thomas Pasa ula ong ba kilayo Jingtip ba kani ka committee kala Iakynduh khaddu ha ka arpulai tarik unai wieng bat kan sai Iakynduh biang ha ka rio tarik unok pra. Hadian Jong kani ka expert committee kan sayok pediang ya kecing terwa na baro kiseng sign perthai bat kiken huan ki badan benta la ong uba pasa.
He has informed us that the expert committee has held a meeting on the 23rd of this month. That was the first meeting. The second meeting will be held on the 6th of December. And the third meeting will be held in Jinglong. Because these two meetings are online meetings, which has been conducted by the expert committee. And the third meeting will be in Jinglong. And after that, all the political parties, the stakeholders, the NGOs, whoever is concerned about this issue, they will be notified through the press and media to submit recommendation to the expert committee.
Kabor penyat Jong ka East